Okay, well, I'm working on the outside here. It's pretty much a failing foundation here. Everything outside is rotten. Foundations just turn into sand. So it's all pretty much water damage. So you can see this is all rotten in here. I think what I'm going to do is just put flashing in all these surfaces, because the snow hits this and the water, and it collects and doesn't go anywhere. So we've kind of started that over here. I've got flashing here. I've anchored that, and then I've left this bottom portion with no wood. I might put a little bit more in there, but that's where the snow sits, and you can see this sill's rotted. I tore out other pieces. I just can't completely redo this foundation. So you see here, everything in here is just rotten and it's all wet. So I think I'm just going to stop here with my wood, and then I'll put flashing down there. I'm going to put flashing on all this, and flashing up the corners and paint it real good. That's my only option here. Anyway, that's what we've got going. Well, the fun never stops. I tried to get in here with some wood on this, and this whole fence, it just fell apart. You can see over there it's screwed up. So I had to go get the longest anchors in town I could find to drill into this foundation and try to get this to hold. I put these two 2x4s together so a fence could go in there eventually, but that's pretty solid there. Same with this over here. This fence is just rotten. You can see there's just poor construction. I've only got a couple points here where I could possibly put in anchors, but I'll put in that 4x4 post there. And then the rest of this stuff here, again, I'm just going to put some wood in there, prime it, and flash as much as I can to keep the water and everything from settling. I'm probably going to put some wood down in here and keep it above. I don't know if I'm going to go that tight. I might go down. I'll leave a foot, and then I'll put a foot's worth of flashing in there. So that should keep it from rotting. So anyway, it's about 90 something degrees. I'm done for the day. See you.